Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you an IQ option strategy that will work positively, and this is combination of factor sign and moving average. For this strategy to work perfectly, make sure you follow the instruction as shown in this video without skip any part. And before we get started, don't forget to like and share this video so more people can see this video, and it will motivate us to do more video like this and post it in this channel. So let's get started. First of all, I just going to use candle time period of 2, and I want to add some indicator. I just going to popular indicator that is moving average. Here at period I want to use period of 5. Type I want to use as simple moving average, and the color is leave as default, and the increase thickness and apply. And I want to use additional moving average, but this time I want to use period of 2. Type simple moving average. Color I want to use a white color. Thickness I want to increase thickness and apply. So finally I want to use factor sign, and period I want to use period of 3, and the rest I will leave as default. And time I want to use 1 minute time frame. So make sure you watch the video along the way until the end, because more information I will provide as I just take a trade and elaborate why I take a trade. Let me find an opportunity and let me increase some currency pair. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn notification bell on. Once I come up with another video, you will be notified. This time I wanna go along on this currency pair because of intersection of simple moving average, that is 2 simple moving average crossover, 5 simple moving average, and factor sign show us the market is heading up. So this is a valid trade for us to take long, but you are supposed to take a trade immediately once the price is started to cross over. So in order to have a accurate trade, so don't be late on trade, you will lose a money. So like this one, we just made a profit. So let me just grab another, look for another moment. For this case I want to show you another moment that we can just take a trade like that one of previous. So here I want to take a sell trade. Why? It's because this intersection of simple moving average of 2 crossover, 5 simple moving average, and factor sign show us the market is heading down for a while. So this is a time we are supposed to take a trade, but most of the time make sure the market is stable. Don't trade on the market where there is no stability. For this time you see we make a profit because of the combination of factor sign and the crossover, these intersection of simple moving average. But make sure you enter trade immediately once the moving average cross each other, like this one here. We just take a long trade because of the factor sign, and we see intersection of simple moving average of 2 and 5. 2 simple moving average, that is white, is crossover, 5 simple moving average, and is going up, but it work for almost 99% if you follow the instruction as shown. But if you trade an unstable market strategy, sometimes you will lose money, but at a stable market you will make money most of time if you see the result. So you can see within 2 minutes, a couple of 3 minutes, win 3 trade by follow everything I shown in this video. Have sure you subscribe and turn notification bell on, because I wanna do more video that will help you to take your trade to the next level. And have sure you hit the like and share to more people, so it will motivate me to do more video like this one. And if you have any issue, you can just leave a comment down below. I wanna see you to the next video on the next week. Bye bye for now.